2017 Blizzard makes 93 look like it was a snow flurry, and that's it. Coming down on a Waymart. Not a car to be passed. They're all stuck back in those snow drifts. They should have took a different route. I will tell you, it is cold and windy. My hand is freezing. Waymart Hotel, there it is. Oh my God, Waymart Hotel's not even open. What are we gonna do? What are we gonna do? We have nowhere to go. There we go. Going by the police station. No one's even home there. No police. Nowhere to drink. Coming down by the old Kocher's Market. That was around in 93. No longer now. Good old Main Street of Waymart. No one's around. We can rear and tear. Listen to the side-by-side go. We're cranking here, boys. We're moving. Storm chasing. Better than the movie Twister. Coming up by the post office. This is like time trials. There's a truck. Finally saw a vehicle. Let's lose them. Look at the wind blowing. Here we go. There goes the Waymart post office. Wind is blowing. We're moving. It is cold. Cold out. We're on our way home. Look at the snowbank. Cars are stuck. People are still shoveling. It was fun at first, and now everyone hates it. Why'd we get so much snow? Why? So we can cruise around and storm chase. Live 2017 Blizzard from Waymart. Here we go. On our way down through Sponia, probably gonna hit some snowdrifts.